Today, we are here with Dr. Rovani Sen Sheetak. We are going to ask her some questions that will help us understand more about BMMC and what exactly students should do or should not do. What annoys you the most in class but you don't say?
Well, one thing that annoys me the most is when students come unprepared, because many a times when we ask them to see something and read something and come prepared and then they come with a blank expression, that is something that is quite annoying.
One skill every student should learn but ignores.
Well, one thing which I feel media students in particular need to have is critical thinking skills. Having the ability to analyze information objectively, that's very important. Secondly, being able to look at all the evidence, information, and be able to, not accept things at face value. To be able to separate fact from fiction or from rumors. So critical thinking skills are essential and critical, so to say.
Ma'am, college life enjoy kare ke career pe focus kare. Like how should we find that balance?
Well, I would say dono karo, because it is possible thanks to the fact that there is technology, thanks to the fact that your other course or other things are taken care of. So I think balancing both your internships, your jobs and your college is very much possible. Secondly, college is also about enjoyment and fun, isn't it? Right? So you can be a part of committees, you can organize events in college, and through that process also you learn. So you can enjoy both without sacrificing either your learning or your enjoyment.
What's one thing media students think they're good at but they are not?
Well, people skills, that's something I believe that media students think that they're very good at, because there is misconception that communication skills only mean you should be able to talk in front of the camera, you should be able to speak fluently in a particular language, but that is not what soft skills or interpersonal skills are. It means having empathy, having the ability to collaborate and work together with people. So that's something which is very essential for them to do.
What's the most common excuse you hear from students?
The common excuse is that they don't have time, or they are working so they could not finish a project, or they could not do things on time. And I think because media is such a deadline oriented industry, so if students get into the habit from the college day, we try and fulfill the deadline. That will really help them in the long term. And we have had students like that who have balanced both internships and academic together and have done it pretty well.
So how would you describe BA MMC Hinduja, and why should students join this course?
Well, students should join BMMC program at Hinduja College because we are offering very contemporary subjects such as artificial intelligence, content creation. We're talking about photography skills. We're talking about public speaking, anchoring. So our program is a very good blend of theory and practical subjects. That apart, in all our subjects, we ensure that students are doing practical projects. They're actually doing live case studies. So for their projects, they would not be writing assignments. They would be perhaps organizing a press conference. They would perhaps be doing a photo story. They would perhaps be creating content for social media. So you learn the skills that you are actually required in the industry.
Ma'am, if you had to describe BA MMC in 3 words, how would you describe it?
Fun, creative, and out-of-the-box ideas.
If someone wants to stand out in BA MMC, what should they start doing from day one?
One thing that they should do is they should read and they should acquire a very good understanding of the industry and how it works. Because if they don't understand the economics of the industry, how it works, then it will be very difficult to acquire the skills that are required to succeed in this industry.
BMM Hinduja, where your future begins. BMM Hinduja, admissions open. Apply now, your future starts here.